Okay, this is security camera. You can see a lot of Wi-Fi security cameras in the market. So this is one of the cheapest one. Probably I think I paid $30. You might get a better deal. May probably you will get it for $20 also. Okay. If your device has any built-in setup or something, you can see it will initialize the system. Okay, once it is initialized, if required, probably sometimes you may not have to reset it. If you if you want, you reset it. This will take you to factory default mode. Okay, just hold this for. Okay, now it is resetted. Once you complete the device registration, once you complete the user registration, you will see this screen device listing. So okay, so what you have to do is you have to check whether your device is appearing or not in the Wi-Fi list. So MV29913 is our device which is appearing here. So which means that device is functioning correctly. So if the device is not appearing here, means then there is a problem in with your connections or with your devices. So it must appear here. Now you can see, now you are adding the camera. Okay, we are adding the camera. Add network connected device. Click add network connected device. You can see we have to choose the device ID. So for that, you click that button. A scanner will open. You give the permission. Um, so you can see that QR scanner is scanning that. So this will automatically fetch your device name. So you see the username and password. Password is for this device. The password is nothing. So username is admin, and press confirm once everything is done. Okay, now the device registration is completed. Now device connect to your device and see whether it is appearing. You connect to device, you choose the MV Wi-Fi, your device is MV, it starts with MV, so you choose that and click this button. Now your camera should appear. You can see that LAN online. Now it's connected to LAN in the sense it's a direct you're directly connecting your mobile with your device. The first thing is you have to set the password and username and password. Username you can keep it as admin and enter the password. This is mandatory. Confirm. Now you could see your device. Okay, so you can see this. Next step is okay. Now stop playing this. Now make the setting changes. Select the network. Now change it to Wi-Fi station mode. Now it's in right now it's in AP mode. Now we are changing it to Wi-Fi station mode. So for that you have to enter the Wi-Fi name. It will automatically fetch that name. You can see that, and enter the Wi-Fi password. This is your router password. So your device is going to get connected to this router. So give your select your router Wi-Fi SSID and password. Enter the password. So once it is done, now you can see you change the Wi-Fi. Now from your device to you switch it to your Wi-Fi network. Now you can see that uh, your device must be connected. Yeah, LAN online is there. So which means that both which means that both your device as well as mobile is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Now the connection part is over. Now you switch it to mobile network so that you can access your device from a remote location. So I have disconnected my Wi-Fi and connecting it to mobile network. You can see that the status changing. Now it's connecting. The status is connecting. It will change to internet. Now you can see that it is internet online. So the status is internet online. uh, so with this you can access your home Wi-Fi camera from anywhere in the world. All you need is just one internet connection. You don't need to be on the same LAN connections. You can be anywhere in the world. Your device will be accessible.